Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your location on Google Maps. So in order to do this, it's quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So literally all you need to do is open the Google Maps app obviously, and then all you need to do is zoom in where you are currently living at this little blue little mark on the map, and that's basically where you're at right now. I'm not going to zoom in on mine because I don't want to dox my location, but let's say that my blue little icon would have been somewhere in Brussels. Then all you would want to do is zoom in really far till you can clearly see that blue little icon, and then you simply want to hold onto that blue icon just like this. And then this will pop up. It will basically give you your exact location where we're at right now. And literally all you need to do then is click on share. And then you can simply click on copy, and this will copy the link of your location. And what you then, for example, can do is go into the Notes app, and there you can simply share that location. So I don't want to click on this obviously. I want to simply create this like this. You can paste it, and you can now see that with this link you can share your location. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.